Hi guys, sa sobrang init dito, nasa desert kami. Tapos na kami mag-ride ng camel, pero may pupuntahan pa kami na ibang lugar. So just be with me, let's go for drive. And sorry about the noise because it's the aircon on. So because it's really hot, masyadong mainit kapag hindi naman nilagay yung aircon, kaya medyo maingay. So ayan, lalabas na kami. Wait daw, wait. Ano, Mrs. or Miss Lollipop lady. Oh, yeah, her hat. Thank you. Merry Christmas. Going to the car. Ayan, medyo maingay kasi yung aircon, kasi mamamatay kami kapag hindi namin ilagay yung aircon dahil sa sobrang init. So pasensya na kayo, stuck kami sa punting traffic dito. That's fun. It's fun. Sa daming na naglalakad, it's because they are walking because they cannot get a parking, so they have to parking on the side on the road, but they are taking, so most of them you just gonna walk where they lifted the car. Thank you, Nelson Bay, for you have your beautiful resort here, beautiful place for the tourists like us. So I think right now we just gonna have to find some fish and chips, and so we can have some lunch. Is it right, honey, or something?
Something.
Yeah, something.
We can get you something.
We can get something like fish and chips or something. Something. You're funny, honey.
You're funny, honey.
I'm funny, honey. Right, thank you for watching, guys. Please like, share, and comment, and I'll see you in the next videos.